In recent years, tea tree oil has gained a lot of popularity, especially in the beauty world, from calming acne and healing its scars to relieving dry skin and itchiness. This natural ingredient is a must-have in every beauty junkie's skincare shelf. Enriched with anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties, tea tree oil is very popular when it comes to successfully dealing with a wide range of skin. Regularly using tea tree oil in your skincare also prevents the possibility of future breakouts, thus promoting clear and flawless skin. Tea tree oil are not just limited to healing and controlling acne, it helps deal with serious skin conditions, such as eczema and psoriasis quite effectively. Applying a mixture of tea tree essential oil with another carrier oil helps calm irritated and inflamed skin in just a few uses. Owing to its antibacterial properties, tea tree oil works like a charm to reduce and prevent acne. Applying tea tree oil-infused products not only helps mattify your skin without making it dry, but also delivers moisture straight to your skin, making it look healthy and supple. Today in this video, I will share how to make tea tree serum at home for skin glowing. Another nourishing face pack you need to try is this tea tree oil and coconut one, perfect for people with skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. This face mask soothes itchy, inflamed skin to leave it properly moisturized and conditioned. At first you will need 6 drops of tea tree essential oil and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix both the ingredients together, and your glowing tea tree serum is ready. Add in serum bottle, and apply it over the affected area. Leave it on overnight, and wash it off the next morning with lukewarm water.